Welcome back to Daytime Live. So yes, it's been a while since we have done this, and we felt that it was time to do it with our very, very own Mr. Dufton Shepherd.
I heard the music a while ago.
You heard that?
I hear the,
That's yeah. So it's time for the hot seat. Do you hear the drums? So Duffy,
yes.
We are going to ask you some hot questions, and you need to answer them. You cannot pass. You cannot lie. Talk truth. How we know. Are we ready? Do you hear the music? The tension. It's building. Now, question number one. Dufton Shepherd,
yes.
Have you ever cheated on your barber?
You a cheat from my barber?
Yes, because your barber close, so we know it.
You don't say that rough.
Tell us.
You a cheat from my barber?
Yes.
My current barber?
Because he's watching.
My current barber? I never watched it up.
Never watch.
Right now.
Have you ever?
First of all, I like how your phrase the question. You are asking me if I've ever gone to another barber apart from what?
We ask if you cheated on your barber. Don't rephrase my things.
My barber.
Have you cheated on your barber, sir?
In the context of what you're asking.
Yes or no, sir?
No.
Yes or no?
No.
He's never cheated on his barber.
No.
Dufton Shepherd.
No.
Have you ever cheated?
That's the next question?
Answer the question.
If I've ever cheated?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Dufton.
Yeah.
Have you ever had a crush on someone that you work with?
Yes.
At TVJ.
Oh no, come out of my life.
On a TV show.
Come out of my life.
Any TV show in
no, come out of
particular.
my life.
You heard
Yes,
the answer?
I have.
You have had a crush?
Yeah.
Can I do a part two? Can I do a part two of that question? No?
No, be you want to go. Can you want to go now? Oh, take it off of me. Move. Shoot, go. Go.
Okay.
We're not on
okay.
road spricks.
We're going to be nice. We're going to be nice. Dufton, true talk. Have you ever
Yes.
used your celebrity status
Yes.
to impress a woman?
No. Inadvertently, yes, but not deliberately, no. Not yet. I haven't deliberately done
Are
it,
you
but inadvertently.
talking truth?
Yes. Like I've never deliberately say, hey, I'm Dufton Shepherd and I'm one of the hosts of Daytime Live, and I've never done that. But
Has
it
somebody
has
ever
happened.
said to you, are you Dufton Shepherd? And you go, yes, I am.
Listen to me, voice, drop, chest, go up, belly,
Everything.
tuck it, everything.
Feathers, everything.
What you gonna say? No, hi Duffy. Hey, what's up? It use me, use it. I have used
Active,
it. I have used
range.
it. Listen to me, like if you stop touching me just in case somebody out there looking at me, I want direct message me after. Take care enough of me now, man.
No.
Don't
Okay. Don't. All right. Dufton. Dufton Duffy Shepherd.
Oh Lord of His mercy, what?
Do you have a lie that you told your mother that you would now like to take this opportunity to fess up? Mommy is watching. Tell her the truth about
right.
that lie you told.
All right, here what happened.
Go ahead.
I think all the lies that I've told my mom that I would fess up, I have. But I can tell you like one lie that I did tell her, that I did fess up for. I got really bad grades at school. I'm dash the grade report. Dash the report. I tell my mother, say, yo, there was something with the teacher and pregnant and I'm not getting up.
Mommy,
Never, because right before Easter holidays, I couldn't much holidays and much
how
up.
old were you?
Young. High school. But she knows now. Well, she found out afterwards.
Dufton.
Oh, this is another hot seat that I'm talking to. I have.
All right. That's a good one. I feel like you have some juicier ones though, like when you broke the thing, or when you know, Dufton, you know, so you have some juicier ones.
We all have secrets.
We all have secrets.
We take into a grave.
So he's not telling us. You know what, Dufton? I find that you are a wonderfully sensitive, wonderful young man. So my question is, when was the last time that you cried?
Cried?
Cry. Eye water.
Oh, I'm going to tell you when. Today's Tuesday. Last week,
If you make a
Thursday.
joke.
No, last week, Thursday. Let me tell you why. I was listening to the new song by Taurus Riley and Massacre. What's the name of that song again?
I'm in your corner.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in your corner, friend. I'm in your corner.
When I start think about me, like my real friend them, who me know say like they would be in my corner if something happened, or that I would be in the corner for them, I could only think of 4 people.
Who are the 4? Take this moment to say thank you for
4
being
people.
there for me.
I sent the song to the 4 persons.
Nisha Yen
4 or
Jones.
5. Nisha and I United.
No, United, all right.
Melissa Daly Harper. She's married
Melissa.
Harper, my best friend.
Big up yourself.
Virgin named Lance Stewart. Call him
Lance?
Jeddy. Lance Stewart.
Big up Lance.
Leighton Meeks. Call him
You
Bells.
let me know that name, do you know?
Yeah, Chef.
Big up yourself.
Chef. Steve Bennett.
And Steve Bennett.
And I sent to
That's a
one
4.
other person. Yeah, I sent to one more person though.
But that's really good.
Yeah. Because the song, when you listen to the song, like, touch your man. I mean, I was driving in the car, I had the song on repeat. I'm at the water run down my eye.
Were you doing an ugly cry or a cute cry? Was
Me
it
no
like
know.
slow
It's
tear
the cry
or
when you're driving, you drive and you sing the song. I'm in your car.
Okay,
Yeah.
Duff Don.
Yeah, man.
I know you generally have good taste, right? Good
Right.
taste.
Good,
But
yeah.
what is your guilty
I was gonna say so do like the
TV
police.
pleasure? Duff Don!
What?
What's your guilty TV pleasure?
Series, like which movie?
Sure.
Yeah,
What you
I
want?
love movies.
No, man, it have to be one that you're embarrassed that everybody knows say you watch. It can't be can't be the Matrix. It have to be something embarrassing.
It have to be something embarrassing.
Yeah. Something that me can laugh at for you and be like, you watch that for real?
Me don't know. Like I watch Naruto.
That's not embarrassing.
No,
That's a
yeah.
proper things. Big up to the anime people.
Yeah, me know.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, me know.
Whole
Yeah, that's me though. Me know.
Do you watch like Real Housewives
No.
of anything? Basketball Wives?
No.
Do you watch like,
No.
what's your name? Emily in Paris?
They
The
say
little
no
picnic
wives.
show?
Well, yeah, maybe if next door, but no.
You know
Listen,
what?
you don't tell the truth. You don't tell the truth.
That was good. That was good. That was Dufton's Shepherd's
truth.
hot seat, everybody. So we know that Dufton told his mother the truth about his report card. We know all these wonderful stuff. So I want to say thank you so much for watching Daytime Live.
Oh yeah, and I have a crush on.
Tell them. Oh, guys, remember to check on your loved ones, just like Dufton is doing now, to support each other as a community. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We'll be back on Friday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, mix. Stay safe, wash your hands, mask up, keep your distance, or you know what, just stay inside as much as possible because Corona is keeping. I'm gonna go find Dufton because I don't know where him is, in Rungon, somewhere. See you guys on Friday.